how to do a Chelsea smile, which is inspired by the Joker. I'm going to be using this wax by Ben Nye, and you want to get a couple of pieces out which you're going to work with and start on one of the sides of your mouth. And I'm going to place it here and start to smooth. Once you're happy with one side, you move on to the next one. And then you take a tool that you're going to use to cut through the middle of it. You then want to kind of pry a part of it to give it more of an opening. And then I'm then going to go around the edges of the wax and use some red eyeshadow. This is to give it a bit more colour. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in the middle of where I've made the cut and use black face paint. This is to add depth to my cut. I'm then going to go around the edges and use a darker red, which I use to make sort of like blood clots. I'm then going to add some fake blood, and I'm going to be using this Stage Blood by Ben Nye, and I'm going to go down the middle of the cut. And that is my finished look. You can make it more exaggerated than this, you can make it bigger. I tend to do bigger ones, but I'm showing you how to do this quite simply. I usually make mine longer and I cover my mouth in blood usually. This is an easy, quick look, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you like what you see, then sub to my channel and give me a like. Bye!